Hello, good morning. Myself Dr. Poonam Duklan. Today we will discuss about endocytosis and exocytosis in the chapter of plasma membrane. So see, vesicle transport. Okay, in the vesicle transport, some molecules or particles are just too large to pass through the plasma membrane or to move through a transport portion. Some molecules or particles are just too large to pass through the plasma membrane or to move through a transport protein. So, cells use two other active transport processes to move these macromolecules into or out of the cell. When it's into is a endocytosis and when it out of the cell is a exocytosis. So there are the two type of a vesicle transport is exocytosis and endocytosis. When these macromolecules out of the cell is known as exocytosis, and when macromolecules is in the cell into the cell is a endocytosis. So first is the exocytosis, the process of vesicles fusing with the plasma membrane and releasing their contents to the outside of the cell. The process of vesicles fusing with the plasma membrane and releasing their content to the outside of the cell is a exocytosis. So in exocytosis occurs when a cell produces substances for export such as a protein or when the cell is getting rid of a waste products or toxins is a exported. So that time used is the cell is using a exocytosis, and in the endocytosis or sometimes newly made membrane proteins and membrane lipids are moved on top the cell plasma membrane by exocytosis. Okay, it is the exocytosis. And second point is the endocytosis. In endocytosis, there are the two type of cytosis. First endocytosis is the phagocytosis, that is the solid particles engulf is known as phagocytosis, and second point is the pinocytosis, when a cell liquid material engulf is known as pinocytosis. See in this diagram, first is the exocytosis. Here internal membrane or cytoplasm, their vesicles form some vesicles, and this is the exported. And so in second half part there is a endocytosis. In endocytosis engulf some solid particles or the foreign particles engulf is known as endocytosis. So see, endocytosis. In endocytosis is the process of capturing a substance or particles from outside the cell by engulfing it with the cell membrane is known as endocytosis. In endocytosis, there are two types, phagocytosis or the pinocytosis. So see, in phagocytosis, phagging to eat or chitos in the cell. So engulfment of solid particles with the help of plasma membrane has been observed variety of cells such as leukocytes, endothelial cells or the fibrocytes and splenocytes. So the cell ingested solent or foreign bodies like bacteria, harmful matter, and other inert substance, and the process is called as phago, phagocytosis. Some solid material. This is the phagocytosis. Sorry. It is found commonly in protozoans and among certain cells of metazoan. Phagocytosis has been observed in commonly observed. Common example is the amoeba for obtaining nutrition, and the phagocytic cells in tissue of the mammals are generally called macrophages, which are either mononucleated or multinucleated. The phagocytic cells in tissue of mammals are generally called macrophages, and which are either mononucleated, that is the single nucleated cell, or multinucleated, that is the multinucleated cells. So, uh, and distribute in variety of mammalian tissues. So the particle become absorbed, that is the adhere, and at the surface of the membrane and lateral on the they are taken into the cytoplasm by infolding of the plasma membrane, which are soon pinched off, forming vesicle constituting of particles enveloped by a membrane. So these vesicles are called intracellular vesicles. See in this diagram, there are the 2 point is covered. Hmm. First is the endocytosis. In this endocytosis process is the early endosomes, then late endosomes and secondary lysosomes, and these are the secondary lysosomes in directly endocytosis. And third is the autophagy. Auto means the self eating, self organelle eating, that is the autophagy. And the phagocytosis, endocytosis. In endocytosis is this process. In endocytosis, see, here endocytosis means the liquid, when its liquid material is the pinocytosis, and the phagocytosis means the when its material is solid, like bacteria. See in this diagram, second point is the phagocytosis. So bacterium then is covered by systematic overview of the three pathway by which materials and move to lysosomes. So soluble macromolecules are taken into the cell by investigation, coated pit in the plasma membrane and delivered to lysosomes through the endocytic pathway. There is the pinocytosis. First is the endocytic pathway, directly liquid material engulfed taken into the cell by investigations of the coated pits in the plasma membrane and delivered to the lysosomes, early endosomes, late endosomes, and directly delivered to the lysosomes and through the endocytic pathway. So whole cell and the other large insoluble particles move from the cell surface to lysosome through the phagocytic pathway. That is the phagocytic pathway in the second point. Bacterium like solid material, that is the insoluble material, it's phagosomes, then primarily lysosomes and secondary lysosomes. So whole cell and outer large insoluble particles move from the cell surface to lysosomes through a phagocytic pathway. So worn out organelles. Third point in this autophagy. In the autophagy, there are the worn out organelles and the bulk cytoplasm are delivered to lysosomes through the autophagic pathway within the acidic lumen of the lysosomes, that is the hydrolytic enzymes, HCl, hydrolytic enzymes, degraded protein and nucleic acid and the other large molecules, the autophagy. Got it? So first point is the phagocytosis. In this diagram, see phagocytosis, that is the solid particles engulfment here. So, mm, so see, these vesicles are called intracellular vesicles and phagosomes. First is the phagocytosis. First point is phagosomes, and the phagosomes fused with the primary lysosomes to form secondary lysosomes in which food material is digested by acidic enzymes. Acidic enzymes are the hydrochloric acidic enzymes. The second example in metazoans is the method of defense against foreign bodies like bacteria, dust, and various colloid. Ingestion of small colloid particles is called ultraphagocytes. Another point is the ultraphagocytosis in metazoans. It is a method of defense against foreign bodies like bacteria, dust, and various colloids. Ingestions of small colloidal particles. So is known as ultraphagocytosis. And during the process of phagocytosis, a number of events are observed when there is a material near phagocytes. The cell relay a signal to other cell to make presence known. When there is a material near phagocytes, the cell relay a signal to other cells to make presence known. So one signal is relay other phagocytes pick it up and start moving towards the material to be engulfed. Like bacteria, when it's a harmful bacteria, when there is a harmful bacteria near phagocytes, the cell relay a signal to other cell to move presence no. So one signal is relayed to other phagocytes, pick it up and start moving towards the material to engulf. So exact nature is not known, but it's a presumed that there is some kind of chemical interaction called chemotaxis between the cell and the particle materials. So they act on the macrophagous surface to mediate response. And second point is the pinocytosis. Pino means a liquid. Phagocytosis means eating cells. Pinocytosis means drinking cells. Okay. So in this, in which soluble materials are taken up from the environment and incorporated into vesicle of for digestion. Sometimes intake of fluid material into the cell by the formation pinocytic vesicle or pinosomes is called pinocytosis. So intake of fluid material into the cell by the formation of pinocytic vesicle or pinosomes is called pinocytosis. It's a Greek word, painted to drink. It's described by Lewis in 1931. Has been described 1931. It is a kind of cellular drinking by the cell. Kind of cellular drinking by the cells, and this mode of intake of nutrition has been demonstrated in endothelial cells and erythroblasts. So fluid in contact with the plasma membrane moves through narrow channels, form temporarily as a deep investigation into the cell interior. See in this diagram, here also vesicles form. Pinocytosis in also some vesicles form. First is a liquid material in cell surface, that is the plasma membrane, and then engulf and then form its primary vesicle and secondary vesicles. So, in vegetation, fluid in contact with the plasma membrane and move through the narrow channels form temporary as a deeply investigation into the cell interiors. From the tip of these channels, small vesicle containing the fluid droplet are budded off, which empty their content in the cytoplasm. The vesicles are called pinosomes. Okay, in the uh, in the here the vesicles are called pinosomes, and pinocytosis is found prominently in protozoans. The best example in the amoeba. In the amoeba, the periodic pinocytosis has been observed under the light microscope. So the process of pinocytosis is said to be mediated by some kind of inducer mechanism which trigger the formation of investigation in the plasma membrane. So here protein in solution may act as a good inducer. Okay, that time of this like this inducers is a protein is a solution may act as a good inducer as compared to acidic substance like DNA, RNA and fatty acids. So all the substances surrounding the cell membrane may not be engulfed, hence the process is highly selective. The surface of the plasma membrane has specific receptor site to which only certain material may be bound and carried through investigating channels. So endothelial cells lining. See in our endothelial cells lining, the capillaries may be cited to prove this point. Highly selective. Okay, this point prove endothelial cell lining. The capillaries may be cited to prove this point. And materials from the blood are transported into the intestinal space through the small vesicles that are formed at the cell border. And these vesicles loaded with material are then transferred to the other side of the cell, where they fused with the cell membrane and discharge the contents outside. These these vesicles loaded with the material are then transferred to the other side of the cell, and where they fused with the cell membrane and discharge the content outside. It's completely pinocytosis. Pinocytosis is a Greek word, okay? Is a drinking cells. So see, revise once again. Vesicle transport. In vesicle transport, there are the two type of transporting system: exocytosis and endocytosis. Exocytosis means exporting the harmful inner part, that known as the in exocytosis. In endocytosis, there are the two type of cytosis: the phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Phago means the in phagocytosis, that is the eating cells or solid material in gut. This process is known as the phagocytosis. And the pinocytosis, in which the liquid material drinking cells or the liquid material absorb or engulf or these vesicles form or pinosomes is called as the pinocytosis. Okay, got it. So thank you.